Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about Azure Virtual Networks, and let's take an example. This is our cloud and this is Azure, and Azure does hold a subscription. So take an example. This is our subscription. Inside the subscription there is a resource group. Inside the resource group there are virtual networks, virtual network 1 and virtual network 2, and then there could be multiple virtual networks. So I'm just starting with 1 and 2. Inside this virtual network card there are virtual machines or other networking equipments, and in the virtual network 2 similar some virtual machine and network equipments. Without help of any internet or a public IP, they all can communicate over the private IP address inside the one. Similar way, the virtual network too, they can communicate to each other as a local area network. So let's take an example. This is our 10.0.0.0/24, and that is 10.0.1.0/24. So when they want to communicate to the another, then they cannot communicate normally. But if we do some peering, yes, communication is possible with the two different virtual network available in a one location, as well as if there is a another virtual network. For example, this is a East US and this is a West US. With the help of geo peering, yes, it is possible. So in upcoming video, we will be having some practical session for those peering. Let's talk about IP addressing in this virtual network. Before I start IP, everything is virtual, and I see then switch and MAC address, everything is virtual inside those virtual networks. So in the virtual network, there is a IP, for example, 10.0.0.0/24 I'm using. Inside, in a normal network, we can start using from 10.0.0.1 and we can use up to 10.0.0.254, and the last one we will keep for broadcasting in a normal network. Okay, so in Azure we cannot use 1, we cannot use 10.0.0.2 and 10.0.0.3. The first four, that is the 1, 2, 3 and 4, we cannot use these uh, in Azure. This one is for network, and the another one is for default gateway, and 2 and 3 are used for DNS. And with the first we will start from 10.0.0.4, and it will goes up to 255, 254, and 255 is again for the broadcasting. So this is a small introduction overview for the virtual network.